Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are finally in Kasol. And we checked in into Parvati Woods camp, and I'm going to show you the place in some time. But for now, we are walking towards the main city center of Kasol.
Every breath holds a moment.
So we had a fairly long sort of walk from our camp till the restaurant that we're sitting at right now. And the weather's a little hot, so it was not very pleasant, also very dusty. Vedika is dog tired and she's just lying there, sitting here right next to me and not doing anything. Hi Vedika.
Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go. There's a stirring in the ocean. There's a rhythm in the waves. It's a calling deep within your bones, and it cannot be contained. Forever you and me, running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go. We will go. Forever you and me, running wild.
So we are by the river right now. This place is so beautiful. I think it's for the first time that I've seen a river this close. Hey guys, this is day 2 and today we are going to Tosh and Manikaran.
Every morning I just watch you drown. Another daughter treading water in this town. You're the reason that I'm even here, but just surviving ain't enough to stick around. Ooh, aren't you dying? Ooh, aren't you dying to get out of here? Ooh, I'm just trying to get you to run.
Hey guys, we are finally in Tosh after a very long drive. The roads were really bad, but the views were so amazing. And so we're just going to explore Tosh now, eat somewhere, and this place is very beautiful, so I just want to walk around.
And I'm tired of taking life here on the chin. Where there's a window, there's a way out there, and every plane's another place we could begin. Ooh, aren't you dying? Ooh, aren't you dying to get out of here? Ooh, I'm just trying to get you to run.
Hey guys, we are in Tosh. Tosh and it's raining. It's so beautiful here. It's a completely different experience. We are at this cafe called Boom Shiva. We're gonna eat something because we're starving, and I just hope it stops raining so that we can explore this place. And for now, we're going to sit here and take in the view and enjoy it. So that's where we're going to be sitting and having our food.
Two worlds collide with our hearts on the line. We were young and naive. We were wild, we were free. And I don't wanna leave your arms tonight. I'm falling, still falling for you.
Let's do a bit of meditation. Look at the mountains, the beautiful mountains covered in snow. Take in fresh air. Everything is so beautiful. Life is so beautiful. Something is so beautiful.
Want you to know that I don't wanna leave your arms tonight. I'm falling, still falling for you. I just wanna stay by your side. I'm falling.
We just got out of Boom Shiva, and it is an amazing place. The food especially, the parathas. I mean, we ordered paneer paratha and Maggi. Maggi was so different, and probably the Maggi was made in desi ghee. I don't know, it just tasted like that, but it was amazing. And the parathas were completely organic. The owner, he has his own farm in Haryana from where he gets the flour. So if you ever come here, and I suggest you please do come to this place and try their paratha.
Still falling for you.
It's raining again, and we're just going to leave Tosh. We are headed to the Manikaran Gurdwara and the hot springs. This place is amazing, and we'd love to come back to this place. We are at the Manikaran Gurdwara. The weather is really amazing.
Oh, 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 my darling. Look out the window, all is gray. Oh, 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 my darling.
Hey guys, right now we are waiting for a cab to take us to Kasol market. Public transport here in Kasol is really bad. Traffic is the worst in this season. So if you're planning to come to Kasol, either get your own vehicle or get this thing sorted before you come here, because the taxi people just refused to pick us up from here.
You let go. Oh, 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 my darling. When will this season ever end? Oh, 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 my darling. I know we'll be together then. Oh, 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 my darling.
So after coming to Kasol, we came to this cafe called Evergreen. We love this cafe. So we sat there for around 2 to 3 hours, ordered stuff and just relaxed. And after that, we came to this cafe which is right next to it called The Nest, which is a nice place. It's new, but we like it. So, some of the nice cafes that we visited in Kasol are The Nest, Evergreen Cafe, and Moon Dance. And one of the cafes which we did not like was the Sunshine Cafe. I'm going to list all these cafes in the description box below. After spending some time at the Nest now, we're going to go to the bus stop. We have our bus at 7:30 back to Delhi. So I'll be ending the vlog now. We had an amazing time. I hope you like this vlog. Do let me know which part of the vlog you enjoyed the most.